Ready to unplug and rediscover nature at its wildest and most peaceful. Nestled along the banks of the Maumee River, the primitive campground at Independence Dam State Park offers 25 exclusive spots where the modern world fades away and adventure takes its place. Forget Wi-Fi. How about fireflies, flowing river views, and a night sky so clear it feels like your own private planetarium? At Independence Dam's primitive campground, the only signal you'll need is the crackle of the campfire. for tagging along on this drive to the primitive campground at Independence Dam State Park, where simplicity meets serenity. If you enjoyed the tour, please be sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and ring the bell so you don't miss the next outdoor adventure. Until then, stay wild and keep exploring, and we'll see you around the campfire.